Hello and welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. Today we will tidy up this report and then create a new report. Now, as we discussed earlier, you notice that anytime we select any of these months listed here, we always see that there is a problem with um our average profit by month and by year. For that to stop, that is any slicer you have and you don't want it to work for a particular visual on your canvas or your report view. Now what you do is that firstly you select the slicer, then come to format and then click on edit interactions. Now once you do that, you notice there are some new additional icons that comes up within the system. What you do is that you select the none for the visuals you don't want this slicer to work on. So for now, I don't want it to work on this. And once you're done, you would be very sure that if I click on possibly February now, it doesn't have to affect any of the advantage of the average profit March. It's not affecting it, while others are changing. So what we will do is you cancel out edit interaction. Now if you select the month of April and the month of May or any other month from November, it's just applicable to the three visuals, that is the top five, the bottom five cities, the average profit by ship mode, but not for average profit by month and year. That's one. Now, that is also very applicable to any other slicer you are using. So, with this, I would also want to change the background color of these three other visuals to white. So what you have to do is you select it. Now you go to your visualization pane and select format your visuals. Then come to general and you come to properties, effects, then change the effect color, which is background color, to white. Now we have a white background. Same thing you do for the ship, the average ship mode. You change the color to white. Now you have white, and this also I want it as white. Now I have successfully turned the various cards in the various visual in my canvas to the different colors, to a different color, which is white. So lastly, we'll be adding a new feature, which is a button. Now we're going to be having two reports, so we're going to be adding a back button. Now this back button will allow us switch between two different reports or two different page easily, so you can slim fit it and apply it anywhere of your choice. With this, and you would be able to switch between two pages. Now take note that what we did here is for the various profits from each section. Now, if we want to do the sales that is giving us these profits, what we have to do is we could start all over our visuals from the way we started earlier, but we'll just go to the pager which is below here and right click and say duplicate page. Once you duplicate page, you have two pages of the same value. Now in our next video, I will show us how we can convert everything here to the sales report, and with that you have been able to create your profit and your sales report. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.